Good morning, viewers. Welcome to our active English version. Viewers, some might say it looks like a finger. Others might say a worm. Scientists in the field often liken it to an antenna. Yeah, the technical name is primary cilium. This slender microscopic appendage just out from the surface of most cells in the human body, and yet for many years and it was completely missing from textbook illustration. Scientists began paying more attention to primary cilia around 2003, and that's when a scientist at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, the late Katharian Anderson PhD, discovered that primary cilia play a hugely important role in embryo development. They process signals from a family of proteins called hedgehog that cue the patterning of the early embryo, including the formation of the neural tube too. Since then, this antenna-like organelle has become a hot topic for research, in part because defects in primary cilia can lead to a whole host of medical problems, and everything from hearing loss and cleft palate to having one's internal organs located on the wrong side of the body. But a major unanswered question in which a molecular cues tell cells to make a primary cilium in the first place. In a new paper published this week in Science, MSK developmental biologist In Wen Liang, PhD, and Alexander Zweiner, PhD, report that they have solved part of the mystery. Yeah, two transcription factors, SP5 and SP8, act as a kind of on-off switch for the initiation of cilium formation. So, in cells without a primary cilium, turning these genes on can cause them to build one. So the results have immediate and long-term implications for the understanding and treatment of diseases caused by missing or malfunctioning primary cilia called ciliopathies, which affects 1 in 2000 people worldwide. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.